Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to unmute emotes in Clash Royale. So how do you unmute emotes in Clash Royale? The first thing is, where can you find Clash Royale application? I can find Clash Royale on Google Play Store or Apple Store. Launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Clash Royale and follow through with the on-screen instructions to install your application. So after installing and downloading completely, it's going to take you into the battle screen where you're going to be asked to pass through the first phase of your tournament. And once you're done with that training phase, it's going to take you right into this home screen where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Clash Royale. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to unmute emotes in Clash Royale. So for you to get emotes in Clash Royale, head over to this screen, and from this screen you can now go ahead and click on collections, and from collections to see all of these emotes that you can definitely use or definitely unlock. Or you can even head over to this shop and shop your emotes. So this is like cosmetics and these are emotes, so go ahead and click on emotes and shop any of this emotes that you might want to use. So let's say you've gotten emotes and you want to mute your emotes. Here's how you can do that. Check the top right corner of your screen and click on these three horizontal lines. So over here, go ahead and click on settings. And once you click on settings, over here you're going to see the audio option. Now go ahead and click on audio. Now for you to unmute your emotes, you're going to have to check here if this SFX is changed to off. So if it is off, if your SFX as a sound effect is off, just like it is off right here, it means your emotes will be muted. So if it is like this, then you have to click on this off option. You need to click on off for it to turn to on. So that's it. Just click on off for it to turn to on. And that's it. So once it's on, then your emotes will be unmuted, and now you can now hear the sound of your emotes once you're playing your game. So that's pretty much the process. You can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.